In the ever-growing health and wellness industry, starting a fitness studio can be a rewarding venture. This video aims to provide a practical and detailed guide on how to kickstart your own fitness studio business. Step 1. Market research and planning. Before diving into the business, conduct thorough market research to identify your target audience, competitors, and niche. Understand the specific needs and preferences of your community. Once you have a clear picture, develop a detailed business plan outlining your studio's mission, vision, and unique selling propositions. Consider the type of fitness classes you want to offer, whether it's high-intensity interval training, HIIT, yoga, or a combination of various disciplines. Outline your pricing structure, taking into account competitor pricing and local market demand. Step 2. Location and facility. Choosing the right location is crucial for the success of your fitness studio. Look for areas with high foot traffic, accessibility, and a demographic that aligns with your target market. Consider the size and layout of your facility, ensuring it accommodates the type of classes you plan to offer. Invest in quality equipment and create a welcoming atmosphere. Adequate ventilation, cleanliness, and proper lighting are essential for creating a positive and motivating environment for your clients. Step 3. Legalities and regulations. Navigate the legal landscape by registering your business, obtaining the necessary permits, and adhering to health and safety regulations. Consult with legal professionals to ensure compliance with local laws. Additionally, acquire insurance coverage to protect your business from potential liabilities. Establish clear terms and conditions for your services, including membership agreements and cancellation policies. A solid legal foundation is crucial for the long-term success and sustainability of your fitness studio. Step 4. Marketing and branding. Build a strong brand identity to set your fitness studio apart. Develop a compelling logo, choose a memorable name, and create a cohesive aesthetic for your marketing materials. Utilize both online and offline channels to promote your business. Develop a user-friendly website with information about your classes, schedules, and pricing. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your community, share success stories, and offer promotions. Consider partnerships with local businesses and influencers to increase your reach. Implement a referral program to encourage your existing clients to bring in new members. Step 5. Client engagement and retention. Once your fitness studio is up and running, focus on client engagement and retention. Offer excellent customer service, and regularly seek feedback to make improvements. Develop a sense of community within your studio by organizing events, challenges, and social gatherings. Provide personalized training plans and incentives for long-term memberships. Implement loyalty programs and special promotions to reward client loyalty. By building a strong sense of community and consistently delivering high-quality services, you'll not only retain existing clients but also attract new ones through positive word of mouth. In conclusion, launching a fitness studio requires a strategic approach that encompasses market research, meticulous planning, legal compliance, effective marketing, and client retention strategies. By following these steps and staying adaptable to the evolving fitness industry, you can establish a successful and sustainable fitness studio business.